Hello friends, very good morning. Before starting the video, I just want to inform you that this video is only for educational purpose. So there is no recommendation from my side at all. Now let's begin the video. So for today's intraday trading, I have selected Hindustan Unilever and let me tell you the reasons, then analysis and what kind of trade I am expecting in this stock and what is the lesson or what will be a learning lesson for us from this trade today. So first of all I will tell you the first reason why I have selected this stock. So you can clearly see dominating pressure in this stock is selling. So expected follow through action is also in downward direction. So before that, we need some confirmation from the price chart. So this confirmation has been provided by the chart itself. So dominating pressure along with multiple touches around 2380. Yeah, 2380 is the level where price has touched many times in recent days. So you can clearly see here first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Here you can also say this like it has also touched. So there are uh, multiple tried from the price to go down this price level, and in the morning this price has moved below 2380. Now the price has came for retesting. So this has given a very good opportunity to go for short in this trade, in this stock. But I'm again expecting the price come below 2380, and then I will enter with a minimum stop loss. So you can clearly understand that I am expecting a short trade in this stock. So analysis part is that as per confirmation, dominating pressure is selling, multiple touch points we have got, and the market is also looking bearish today. Yes, market is in range bound market, but overall the sentiment in the market is bearish. So going for a short trade will be profitable for today because sentiments will work in your favor if it will be a driving force for the market. So we will wait for a confirmed trade in this stock once the price came below this horizontal line or this level that I have drawn 2370. Then I will enter in the stock by taking a short trade. If opportunity will not be provided by this stock or market today, then I will not be trading, and I will just watch the movement of price and the formation of chart, because that will be also kind of earning that we are getting, that I will get from the market. So every time there is no need that we earn the money, but sometime you will earn yes, you will earn some relations, some great experience from the market that will actually pay you heavily in future. So let's wait for the trade. The learning lesson that I'm actually expecting from this stock is that I'm allowing the market, I'm not allowing. I'm just saying that I'm waiting for market to set up a trade, and market is in a tight range. So as soon as the market will start move in trendy ways or in a particular directions, then we can expect a kind of movement, a kind of trade that we are expecting in this stock. So let's wait for the trade to come, and we will enter and book profit or loss as per the direction of the market. So Thank you guys. Keep watching, keep trading. This is the whole plan of trading today, and we will move according to our plan. If the setup will be done by the market for us, then we will trade. Otherwise, we will skip the trading today and just watching the stock, or sorry, price chart. So thank you guys. Bye.